Hi, my name is Kanika Agarwal and I am mother of Anay Agarwal. He is studying in class 6 of Cambridge and he is really enjoying his time in the school. Actually, we were in Manchester from past 6-7 years and more than that. Anay had all his education from Manchester till class 4. So when we came back to India, we researched most of the schools and all the schools were not helping us out with our questions. But when we came to Jaipuria and we came to know about Cambridge board, we were like thoroughly, people here helped us to decide what is good for our kid and what is not. So we had many questions, but they were ready to answer all the questions. So we decided to get admission in Cambridge in Jaipuria. It's been 2 years and my kid is really enjoying his time in the school. He's learning, he's growing and he's doing really very well in his studies. Well, as I understand this curriculum, Anay has been studying in this curriculum from past 6-7 years, and when we came back to India, Cambridge is helping him out in the same way. He's learning in wider aspects. He's having a analytical thinking. He's understanding the concepts more clearly. It's not about just mugging the things and just learning them by heart. It's not like that. It's like they understand the concepts, they enjoy the concepts and they learn them thoroughly. And it is more about globally they are learning wider aspects of the things. So I think Cambridge board is helping my child to develop all round. It's not about just few concepts, but he's learning about the wider concepts of the things. Well, as a parent, I am very much happy with the cleanliness of the premises and the infrastructure of the premises. My kid is enjoying the environment. Well, I would like to say I am 100% satisfied with the teachers. What is the most important point is listening. They listen to each and every time, every point, whenever I have some queries or questions, and they're wholeheartedly ready to help me out. Well, I would like to say, see, every child is different, but when we see the present state, we need to think in a wider aspect. All the children need to have like a wider aspect in learning. It's not the same path we followed, our children should follow. Like we studied in the same particular manner, learning, reading and then having exams. But in Cambridge, they have a wider aspect of things. They learn most of the things. It's not about just reading and learning. It's about making their concepts clear with all the examples available throughout the world.